Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Eggs are rich in protein and so many people try different recipes to see how they can include eggs in their diet easily. So today I'm going to show you all a really nice egg curry recipe. This is a Tamil Nadu special and it's famously known as Mutta Korambu, meaning egg gravy curry. So let's get started and check out this absolutely simple yet delicious egg curry. For the egg curry, I have already boiled about 10 eggs and removed the shells. Now I'm just going to cut them all into halves and keep them aside. Take a wide pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil, keep the flame on low and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just mix all the powders on low flame to make sure they don't get burnt. Now gently place all the egg halves in the pan. Spread the eggs all across the pan to let them absorb the masalas. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip them to the other side and roast them for about 2 to 3 minutes again. Once done, keep the roasted eggs aside. Now take a wide kadai and add 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Once the oil is hot enough, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and let the mustard seeds splatter. Then add 3 finely chopped large onions and saute until they are golden brown in color. You can see here the onions are slightly browned. At this point, add 4 slit up green chilies. You can adjust the chili quantity according to your taste. Once the onions are nicely roasted, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Keep the flame on low and saute. After the raw smell is all gone from the ginger garlic paste, add the puree of 3 large tomatoes. Mix well and saute until the raw smell from the tomatoes is also gone. If you see here, the tomato gravy has thickened nicely and the oil is separated. At this point, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder and mix well. There's a really nice aroma coming from these spice powders. Now add 1.5 cups of water to the kadai. Gently mix and let this gravy base cook for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will be able to see the bubbles in here. At this stage, you can gently transfer the roasted eggs to the kadai. Keep the flame on medium-low and cook the eggs for about 5 minutes. Now this will make sure that the eggs absorb all the flavors in the masala. Lastly, I'm adding some fresh curry leaves for a nice flavor and aroma. Also, I'm adding some finely chopped coriander leaves for garnish. That's it, our egg curry is ready to be served nice and hot with some nice hot rice or roti. So you can see the curry is really delicious and it's made with very simple ingredients that are easily available for you in your kitchen, and you can enjoy this with some nice hot steaming rice and you can make it for lunch or dinner. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.